Next step is to mix together the panko and the vegan Parmesan cheese. And then we have a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and a 1/4 cup of water. And I have changed it a little bit from the first video. The first time it came out a little bit too runny, so I changed it a little bit. Also, I wanted to mention that the flour is all-purpose, and all we have to do is mix those two together. So it's a 1/4 cup of water, a 1/4 cup of flour, and you mix it until it becomes nice and pasty. Just like that. That will hold the breadcrumbs in place once you're gonna fry it. So once that is all mixed up, you take your eggplant, you just dip it into that slurry or flour mixture. Kind of make sure you kind of get a little bit all over, drip it off a little bit, and then just place it in the panko and cover it with panko all around it. And you put it aside. Repeat until all your eggplants are gone. You may have to make a little bit more of the slurry, or just make a 1/2 cup of water and a 1/2 cup of flour instead, and then you're definitely gonna have enough. So, and here you breaded eggplants, and now next step is to fry them up, and then I get to eat them and you are not. All right, see you in a second.